Yeah.
fall out.
Well, that's yeah. Our farmer's pipe isn't all glued together and stuff yet, so
Farmer's pipe.
we might have to actually upgrade ourselves to fast pipe, and since I think it's a little bit more stable. Yeah, personally, I feel like these totes they're too big, and I can see that. Especially when they're full like this, it's real easy for it
Right,
just to
wants to
tumble
cascade out.
tumble all out. Where if we keep this into a smaller situation of the busing totes, they're squattier, and so it can't pile up quite as much. And she, at this angle, if it stayed at this angle, she still would be on top of it. Yet with the shorter busing tote, squattier busing tote, it's not going to all tumble out.
I'm thinking about washing one of those to try it.
Okay.
Want me to go wash it?
All right. So Deb's going to go and get one of the busing totes, and she's going to wash it out. The only thing will be is if this setup that we have currently is too big to hold it. But hey, with farmer's pipe, it's real easy to cut and make it smaller. So right now, what's going on is Michael has got product drying over there. He's putting labels on bags, and she's putting veggies in bags, right into the box, right into the walk-in cooler after this. So already they've taken the step out of weighing this tote right here, which they normally would do, and then take it back to the walk-in cooler, and then from the walk-in cooler it would go into the packaging area. So right now it's gone from the walk-in cooler, it came in here, went right into the bubbler, to the spinner, to the dryer, got boxed up into this busing tote, and comes right over here to her. She's gonna bag it, put it into this box, and then take it back to the walk-in cooler. Tomorrow morning, I'll take it from the walk-in cooler, put it into the delivery truck, and off we go. So the number of steps that has eliminated is incredible. Physical steps, and then production steps are quite a few as well. We're not.
If we have even more than just the two of us, then you can have somebody labeling while somebody's washing and drying, and then somebody's packaging.
Yeah.
If the person's done labeling, they can start help washing or taking boxes back to the cooler.
And see, that's a great point, because now you can have one person harvest, two people harvest, but the point is that this can change the entire time. It can just flow differently. Now Michael has got to hop off of that, and now he's going to go over there, and looks like it's a flip. So he's going to flip product, and now he's not standing around anymore like he was before. Finishing up, waiting for something to finish drying and stuff. So let's see if we can get away with this trash can right there. So she's just finished up the order. Now in the future, she'll box this thing up. There'll be boxing tape right over here on a holder or something. She'll box that thing up, and then just imagine that there's a wall right here, and on the wall, so there would be a table right here. She takes that box, puts it on the table. Right above there's a piece of paper, and it's got barcodes on it. She takes the scanner, beep, clicks on, this is 6-ounce spinach, clicks on that barcode, clicks on print, There's a label printer that'll be right there. Boom, she takes that, puts it on the label on the box, and then off to the walk-in cooler. So just picture next year, watch her do this now. So hold on. Right now is where she would come out of the new production area just now. Go into the walk-in cooler, put it where it needs to go, close the walk-in cooler door, and wait for it. And she right now would be back in the production area ready to go again, instead of having to walk the rest of this way. That's how many steps we're getting rid of just by building that building over there. All right, so now she's got another 6 ounce, 24 order. So now, of course, she's got to go back. Oh, which box? Okay, this one. Where next year there's going to be 2 boxes. There'll be a big box and a little box, and the big box will be for the 10 ounce. The little box. Now you got it upside down.
I see that. That's what I was looking for.
See, in the future, there won't be an upside or a downside. So I already realize I'm gonna have to break this apart into multiple videos to get it onto YouTube, but this is amazing to watch this and to be able to now go back and continually watch this. And you can see she's even making adjustments now, which is awesome. Is it because of the box size? Yeah.
Yeah, the box is a little bit wider, and this is how I want to put it in.
Okay.
Product in, so I just want to make sure it's not hitting the scales, so it doesn't mess up the scales.
Right.
But it doesn't make it harder for me to reach it. And do we have that farmer's tape? Because I'm gonna put it over.
Okay.
Hey, Michael. Yeah. Just add an extra step for you. For your finish, things is finished. Can you start putting the duct tape when you did on the other one over one of the handles so that it doesn't drop there? That way I can just
Yep.
put it on here.
I love it. Okay, so here comes Deb with the gray bussing tote, and so we're gonna try setting that up.